No, this is the video.
Oh!
Yeah.
It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Okay, you are not recording me putting up on pants. The pants.
The lips don't run already.
Oh, we know. We're used to
We
it.
go this late. Are you gonna put that in YouTube?
We're late every day to homeroom.
Look at her face. I know. Smile.
Stop! I'm trying to be serious.
You see your face.
You asked me the face of your hair. So we're late every day. Every day.
Every
day.
Whose fault is that?
We don't know. We just know we're late every day. But it's okay. It's okay.
School's about to be over, you know. School's about to bye-bye.
No more school. Bye-bye.
Oh, so we're in the locker room, and this place is disgusting. Look at those nasty showers.
People actually shower there, you know, like for 2 seconds. That's how dirty they are.
No, they don't.
That's how dirty they are.
Okay, so we should go now. We should go. So guys, say bye.
Bye-bye. Bye. Let's go. Oh,